This is Dr. Divina Avarilla. Here's one of my quick tips. Right now, we're doing medical microdermabrasion. What it is that we use glycolic acid pills or any kind of pills that are medically graded, which means the concentration of which is higher than estheticians. After the chemical peel, we abrade the skin with microcrystals and enabling it to have a rejuvenated, youthful, smooth appearance. It's done every 2 weeks. If you have brown spots, acne, and acne scars, it's recommended for you to have a medical microdermabrasion every 2 weeks. It's a combination of the glycolic acid pill as well as the abrasion with the crystals. Microdermabrasion is done every 2 weeks, and usually you see an effect after 2 or 3 treatments. But it is really recommended to do it every 2 weeks until the skin is smooth and radiant. Hi, my tips for you in finding a good medical spa is that make sure that there's a qualified, board-certified medical practitioner, like doctors, that do the procedures themselves and evaluate you properly. A lot of medical spas out there have really lower prices, and it's not even a doctor doing the procedure itself, so that when there's complications, they don't even know what to do. So it's very important for us to really realize that there is a good medical doctor around just in case something happens. It's not because of the prices only, but you have to really look into what's the qualification of that doctor and what are their skills. I find that the most common mistakes people do is that they look at the prices and see which one is cheaper. And so they'll end up with just somebody trained in the street doing the procedure and then ending up with complications. Most of them I see here in my clinic, and I correct those complications, something we really don't want to have. So when you're looking for a medical spa, please make sure that there's a medical doctor on site that will help you and explain to you everything, and that if there's anything like complications that arise, that doctor is available for you right away. Right now we're doing laser hair reduction. What's doing is that it tries to destroy the hair follicle every time we use the laser, and it helps reduce this hair to grow back. It's done usually every 3 weeks, and there's very minimal pain because we have to put a lidocaine gel on it so that it's not going to be so painful. Now the treatment time varies from one person to another. Some patients are easier to treat. After 4 or 5 treatments they're done. Some people takes 10 to 12 treatments. It depends on how much hair they have and what kind of nationality they are. If you're tired of shaving and tired of waxing, then I do suggest that you should do this laser hair removal technique. I do suggest that you should look for a doctor that's really qualified to do laser hair reduction, because you can have the risk and complications of burning the patient, and if so, you should have a doctor around to know how to treat this problem if ever. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, come visit our website at lybms.com.